In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Webflow Form with Mailchimp. Easy step-by-step tutorial. By the end, your Webflow Form submissions will flow straight into a Mailchimp audience ready for newsletters, automations, and tags without any manual copy pasting. We'll use Zapier as the bridge since it reliably connects Webflow Forms to Mailchimp. Start in your Mailchimp account. Head to the Integrations area and look for the Zapier tile. Click Connect with Zapier. This opens a secure handoff so Zapier can talk to your Mailchimp audience. If you're prompted to sign in, use your regular account credentials, then approve the connection. This simply authorizes Zapier to add or update subscribers on your behalf. You can disconnect at any time in Mailchimp's integrations page. Next, in Zapier, choose the option to connect Mailchimp and Webflow. You'll be guided to build a simple automation. Webflow will be the trigger, and Mailchimp will be the action. Pick Webflow's form submission trigger, then connect your Webflow site when prompted. Choose the site, and if asked, the specific form. For the action, pick Mailchimp's add/update subscriber and connect your Mailchimp account. Select the audience you want new contacts to land in, then map fields. At a minimum, map your Webflow email input to the Mailchimp email address field. If your form collects first and last name, map those too. You can also add tags to keep signups organized and decide whether to enable double opt-in based on your compliance needs. Run Zapier's test to send a sample submission to Mailchimp. If the test succeeds, turn the Zap on. A quick tip: use a real inbox for the test so you can verify confirmation emails and formatting. Now integrate this with your Webflow project. If you're using a native Webflow form, you're already set. Just make sure your inputs are clearly labeled and published to a live domain so Zapier can receive real submissions. If you prefer to use Mailchimp's own embedded form or any custom form markup, place that code in a Webflow embed element in the designer, or add it in project settings under custom code before the closing body tag. Publish your site, then submit the live form once to confirm the Zap triggers, and the contact appears in your chosen Mailchimp audience with the right fields and tags. That's it. Your Webflow form is connected to Mailchimp through Zapier. Save your setup, keep your audience tidy with tags, and you're ready to grow. Congratulations.